You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Item provided by Try Treats for review. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by today. I really appreciate it. I am going to check out another Try Treats monthly subscription box. I've been doing them for about a year, so I'm looking forward to giving this one a try. I do want to say thanks to them for sending this to me to check out on video. Here we go. Let me bring the box in here. Now, as you can see, their box comes in this bluish color. It's been coming in this color since as long as I can remember. All right, here we go. And here is the treats for this month. Ooh, a piece of paper. No, underneath is everything that's in the box. And we have treats from Germany. Now, I have done treats from Germany, so it looks as though I'm going to have some duplicates here. Here is their information. Now, last few videos I've been putting this up on the screen, so I am going to do that now and give you some time and maybe a little music so you can read all of that information. But I need to get to the snack, so I will also put this up on the screen so you can get a better look at it, and that is it. I will come right back now and taste the snacks. Here we go. Palm sticks salted from Lorenz. Now these are very much like shoestring potatoes here in the USA, so I am familiar with the taste on these in regards to the ones here, but I'm not sure. It's been a while since I've had any snacks from Germany. Sometimes I have to check my own videos to see, when was the last time I had these kinds of snacks? All right, so that's what they're like, little French fries. Here we go. I will give them a taste. I have nothing to drink. Very nice flavor. Think of like a potato chip, but in a stick form. They're very crispy, and I enjoy them. And I will probably finish that bag after the video. Now these I have had versions of the curly peanut snack. I'm going to say I'll eat them, but I'm not sure. For some reason, I guess I'm just messed up when it comes to puffy snacks like this, and I always want a Cheeto, and I think I'm eating a Cheeto, but it's nothing like a Cheeto because it has peanut butter flavoring, but it's puffy like a Cheeto. There's the back of the bag. Same company. There you go. There's just something about it. I think I'd almost want to dip these in peanut butter. Crunchy peanut butter. So I gotta have just a little bit more of the peanut butter flavor because it's very faint, but you know it's there. And you're almost expecting cheese. And you're not getting it. So that's what I think of those. Alright, next one. I must move right along. This one is Saltlets. Premium baked with sea salt. Who doesn't love a pretzel? And speaking of pretzels, I've been eating pretzels with peanut butter. Crunchy peanut butter. What about you? What's your favorite dip for pretzel? Now, I also like mustard, depending on the pretzel. And I also like cheese, depending on the cheese. So those are three things that I've had, but now I'm on this crunchy peanut butter kick. Very much like pretzels you would get here in the USA. Crunchy, with a light salt. Those would be good. Dipped in something, maybe mustard. Those would be good with mustard. All right, here we have a chocolate. This one is rose milk chocolate. Now that right there, the word rose, could mean that it's going to have a certain floral tone to it. Smooth cocoa flavor. They don't really give you much there. And it's one bar. Looks like the next 4 are going to be all chocolates and snacks. Ooh, this is going to be a good box. Here we go. Okay, no floral flavor. And a milk flavor, but not like a milk chocolate we get here in the USA. But it is smooth. It's got a nice little crispiness to it when you bite. Not like a crispy cookie. That's not what I meant. All right, Leo. Tasty wafer cookies layered with a delicate cream filling and covered in a thick coating of milk chocolate. Doesn't that remind you of like a Twix bar, doesn't it? Left Twix or right Twix? Ooh, I thought I was ripping. Has anybody seen that ad campaign, the left Twix or right Twix? How do you think of it? Okay, here we go. It's kind of the same kind of bar. Nice little lines going across the top. It tastes nothing like a Twix bar. It's my first sweet snack today. But overall, nice flavor. They make really nice chocolate. All right. Caramel waves with crisp pearls. Crisp pearls. Another Milka product. Let's see, what does that say? Oh, I can't read it. But I'm guessing it's saying something like this. Peel apart here. Ooh, look at that one. That is pleasantly appealing to the eye. Now, when I do these videos, I'm looking at that. I'm looking at texture, how things break. Here, I didn't do it here. Watch. See the inside of that one? Sometimes I'm just too excited to move on to the next one. And look, when it broke off, the bottom actually looks like the wafer cookie itself. Look at this one. This is really cool. The crisp pearls. Caramel Waves by Milk is a chocolate bar made with 100% alpine and consisted of half milk chocolate and half white chocolate with sprinkles. Here we go. This one looks tasty. I can't wait to bite this one. Here we go. I will take a bite of this side first. It's got a nice thickness to it here. Not a huge white chocolate fan. Moving on to the... Now that's more like the thickness of a Hershey bar. Flavor is good. These did not come out as pronounced as I thought they would. I thought I'd get more of a crispy bite to them, but still a unique looking bar. Roulette Happy Cola by Haribo. Very nice, the cola candy. Ooh, it's a little hard, but it's still flexible like a gummy. Reminds me of a jujube in regards to how hard it is to chew. Really hard to chew. Cola flavor is okay. Those of you that know, cola candies are one of my favorites, so say goodbye to that one. All right, Milka. Choco Cow. It's a cow-shaped chocolate bar. Here we go. Think of like an animal cracker, I guess. Let's find one that isn't damaged, but covered with a layer of chocolate. Here, I'll eat the broken one. It's like a butter cookie. That's so far my favorite. Out of all the bars, I like the flavor of the cookie on that one. It's really nice. Crispy and buttery. All right. Now the Beunos. I've had lots of Beunos. These are the best. Times 2. hazelnut on the inside, right? Oh, let me show you the back. Not much more there, but some information. Ooh, individually wrapped. I don't remember that. And the last one I had, you just break it off, or you could bite it. Ooh, it's dissected itself. Look. This is a softer filling in there. It's very hard for me not to finish that one off. But I will, because I need to finish. Here is the Kinder Chocolates individually wrapped. I've had these before too. Milk chocolate. This has got Minions on it. Grudru. Pretty neat that it's branded for Minions. That's nice to see. Why is it nice to see? I don't know. It's just good to see USA stuff on other packages. Internally, they're all packaged too. Cool. They have different characters on them too. Look at that. That's neat to see. Again. Oh, and you get a little bonus sticker. Yeah, that's cool. Well, I've had these before, and they're very tasty. Let me have one here for you now. And I'll say thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I had fun. And that's the inside. I don't think it's as soft as the last one. Creamy and rich. Let me bring everything back in. I'm going to go over everything one more time. All right, I have to say, probably one of the best assortments of snacks. Although, it's very heavy on the chocolate. Maybe that's why I like it the most, with the Kinders and the Beunos, and then the pretzels and the shoestrings. Now, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do one more box for Try Treats, hopefully soon, so that I can wrap that all up. And then I will continue to do subscription boxes, but I might be mixing it up for the rest of this year. Haven't officially decided, but expect some changes. And as always, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I had fun trying all these treats. What do you think your favorite would be? Let me know in the comments. Later. If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
pick it up.